Motorcyclists are peculiar creatures. Not only they want their motorcycles to be an extension of themselves, but they also want themselves to be seen as an extension of their motorcycles. The love and the adoration that they have for their motorcycles are woven in the very fabric of their being. Perhaps that is why we spend hours curating just the right gears and accessories so that we can don our inner motorcyclist with pride. And when they find it and get it, the joy is no less than getting their motorcycle delivered. Today we have with us TVS Racing Performance Gear. Being the first manufacturer to introduce ABS on one of their motorcycles, this resounding step in the right direction of rider safety from the brand was not unexpected at all. Because they know that a motorcyclist enjoys riding their beloved motorcycle the most when they know that they are protected from head to toe. What was a little surprising though was TVS's understanding of the rider's psyche beyond the safety gears. Don't we all love to sport the fact that we are motorcyclists? And what better way to do that than just being primed with the right apparel and accessories? After all, on the motorcycle or off it, a rider is just that. A rider. And here's a lowdown of the gears and accessories involved. The Aerodynamic TVS Export helmet with speakers, pocket and breath deflector. Riding jacket with adjustable armor pockets and suspenders. Flexible and durable riding pants with zipper pockets. Touchscreen enabled riding gloves. Riding boots with reinforced insoles and reflective inserts. T-shirt made from high quality polyester and bonded zipper plackets. Polarized lenses and protection from the sun with the sunglasses. A cap made with 100% cotton shell and a flexible peak. And finally, an antibacterial and anti-odor balaclava with UV protection.